Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences with the platform. SalesRabbit is a powerful tool designed specifically for field sales teams, particularly those working in industries like home improvement, solar, pest control, and other door-to-door sales environments. It provides a suite of features that streamline the sales process from lead generation and qualification all the way through to closing deals and managing customer relationships. One of the key advantages of SalesRabbit is its mobile-first design, allowing sales representatives to access critical information and tools directly in the field. The platform's mapping and routing capabilities are particularly impressive, optimizing travel routes and visualizing territories to maximize efficiency. SalesRabbit also integrates with popular CRM systems, ensuring seamless data transfer and eliminating manual data entry. Lead management is simplified through features like lead tracking, follow-up reminders, and automated email campaigns. Furthermore, SalesRabbit provides real-time reporting and analytics, giving managers valuable insights into team performance and identifying areas for improvement. For businesses looking to empower their field sales teams with a comprehensive, mobile-first solution, SalesRabbit is definitely worth considering. Its robust feature set, coupled with its intuitive interface, makes it a valuable asset for boosting productivity and driving sales growth. The integrated training features also contribute significantly, enabling teams to access product information, best practices, and sales strategies on the go. Additionally, SalesRabbit's digital contract signing capabilities further streamline the closing process, reducing paperwork and accelerating deal cycles. In my experience, the combination of lead management, territory management, and real-time reporting in a single, accessible platform is a game-changer for field sales operations. It empowers representatives to be more organized, efficient, and ultimately, more successful in the field. And for managers, the ability to track team performance, monitor progress, and identify coaching opportunities enhances overall team effectiveness. If your business relies on field sales, exploring the functionalities of SalesRabbit could be a significant step toward optimizing your sales process and achieving greater results. Check out the link in the description below for more information.